Jonas just said you'll get a kick out of this and then walked out. Was it the walking out that I'm supposed to get a kick out of or something else?
Him disappearing is terrifying. It's like if I lose him, I can't leave.
And yet it happens frequently. And it's weird because he makes so much noise. So it's weird that he can also disappear and be completely silent.
It was actually a little concerning when he get shot disappeared when I lost him.
Are you going to drink out of that?
No. Do you notice anything about the color of this liquid?
It's very neon.
Why do you say that? Is that not cool?
Pine Glow actually glows. Radioactive to get your floors extra shiny and clean.
So for anybody watching, this is what Jonasweek is like. We light up bottles of cleaning solution.
I use this to hunt uranium glass in stores, which is fluorescent. And I spotted the fluorescence in this and I went, I bet that's fluorescent. Yep, it sure is. So we have photos of it sitting on that ledge with me out of the way shining this on it, so it just seems to be glowing by itself.
Stuart's already eating without us, by the way.
Okay, I'm sorry. We got here as soon as we could.
I don't know why he got there so early.
Well, I think he had time to kill.
He should have came and killed it here and we could have got stuff done quicker.
Well, he's not allowed to drive here now.
So now where's Jonas disappeared to?
I think everybody really likes it.
Yeah. Well, I guess I'll do a little touring around while we're don't know where Jonas is. I already went and saw the Dayton Lasco, but that is well, it's tied for my favorite install here. The Dayton Lasco and the foyer fans are my favorites. The rear Rick room.
Well, it looks, I think sewer, that back there once. It looked like it was just kind of a dead end.
There's my other favorite install. And of course the cove lighting makes it very cool. That's my favorite light install, I think. Those are staying. Oh yeah, I forgot we put the new tone there. A little sneak peek of where we're going later. I think that's actually hot. The long pull chains are super cool. This is actually really cool install. I'm not going downstairs without Rick, but I will agree that that round nose there is really cool.
It is.
Have we checked on the bathrooms?
Yeah, they seem to be okay.
We do need to fix the ceiling in this one. Okay, well I'm gonna pause filming temporarily.